Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Today I come forward to talk about the normalization impact as well as the ranks and the marks expected as well as the expected cutoff, followed by that how the NEET PG 2024 paper. See, first of all, we know that the Shift 1 paper is also tough, moderate to difficult, and similarly, moreover, the Shift 2 paper is also difficult. Most of the people and most of the YouTubers have done their scenario regarding the poll and everything just to get an idea from you as a NEET PG 2024 aspirant. And if we see all the analysis, we found that the NEET PG 2024 Shift 2 paper is found to be more difficult as compared to the Shift 1 paper, right? And moreover, there are total 2,28,000 NEET PG 2024 aspirants are there who give the NEET PG 2024 examination. Now, the main thing is what is normalization. If you want a complete detailed video, do let me know in the comment section, or you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and you can DM me there if you want to know what is normalization in case of NEET PG 2024. Now back to the topic. In 2-3 lines I will let you know that what is normalization. Normalization simply means, see, we know that this year the NEET PG 2024 paper is conducted in 2 shifts. One is the Shift 1 and Shift 2. Shift 1 student review is a difficult paper, and Shift 2 student review is also that it is very tough paper. And if we do the comparison, we found that the Shift 2 paper is quite difficult. Moreover, both are just like equal in the difficulty somewhere somehow, but still Shift 2 is more difficult paper, and definitely it is a level of INI CET paper, right? What we do in case of normalization, we will calculate the score of Shift 1 students. Let's imagine a situation that we have 1 lakh student as a Shift 1 students and 1 lakh students as a Shift 2 students, right? First of all, we calculate the score or the marks of the Shift 1 students as a raw score, and similarly we calculate it for the Shift 2 students, right? And we will take out the rank of Shift 1 student and then the Shift 2 student. After that, we will calculate the percentile, and percentile, it depends upon which student score the highest, right? So that will be considered as a 100 percentile. And according to that, we will calculate the percentile of the remaining students which are there for the Shift 1 student as well as for the Shift 2 student. Now the percentile of both the shift of students, that is the Shift 1 student and the Shift 2 student, we will merge them, because we know that the paper is not exactly the same, and we know somewhere somehow Shift 1 paper is different and Shift 2 paper is different. So we will merge both the list, right, of percentile. And then we, according to that, we will give the rank. After merging that, we will see which one has a higher percentile, which one has a lower percentile, and according to that, we will give the rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, and on the basis of that, the merit list will fabricate and it will come. Now, as we know that the Shift 1 paper is not that much big different from Shift 2 paper, both are considered to be a difficult, moderate or tough one. So the impact of normalization is not that much on the paper or on your marks or on your rank or on your score, right? Overall, if we see a roughly idea or the expected rank versus marks in case of NEET PG 2024, approximately the 1000 rank nearly about at 630 marks, followed by the 5000 rank nearly about at 575 marks. Then the 10,000 rank at 540 marks, 15,000 rank nearly about 505 to 510, followed by 20,000 rank at 488 marks, 25,000 rank at 472 marks. These are the approximately marks, see the expected one. Then 30,000 rank at 450 marks, And if we see the expected cutoff, that is nearly about 240 or 245 marks, and which if we calculate the rank, then that will be at the 240 or 245 marks, the calculated rank will be 1,15,000 approximately. So somewhere somehow if we see that the counseling is based upon the merit, and merit is based upon your rank, and rank is based upon your marks. So among all these things, the important part is the rank. Rank is very, very important. So counseling will definitely depends upon your rank. So that's all about the today's video regarding the expected cutoff as well as the impact of normalization. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and if you want to talk to me, you can book a call and talk to me, and you can contact me by any of the mode. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button, do share more, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.